Hey there, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. So, what we are going to talk for the next 10 minutes, how can we set up a trial account for SuccessFactors? So, last week I was in a discussion with some of the freshers where we were exploring what kind of facilities, I would say, which SAP is providing us to go with the self-learning pace, where SAP is providing 90 days trial account for the BTP. Do we have similar setup for the other SaaS product as well, like SuccessFactors? So yes, we do have this trial account facility so that we can explore at our own pace. But the only difference is like we are having 90 days trial account for the BTP. SuccessFactors trial account exists for 30 days. But there also certain limitations. So there are two set of consultants. If we talk about success factors, one is the success factors functional consultant who are exploring the functional aspect of the success factor, the configuration of various modules and all. And the another set of consultants are the integration consultant, where I primarily fall into in that category. So if I have to compare what kind of options we are having as an integration consultant, can we leverage this trial account or not? That also we will evaluate. Uh, we will just try to do a quick comparison with the actual demo account which SAP is also providing to us. But yeah, that's a paid version. So we will also try to see what limitation this trial account is having. But yeah, at the same time, since it's a free, let's try to evaluate it and how can we set it up. We will just see. So for that, what you have to do, it's very simple. You just have to go to the Google and just type success factors free trial account, and here you will get a link. Okay, start with 30 days basic trial. So just click on this and you have to click on try now. Once you click on try now, it will ask you for your user ID, I mean the email ID, whatever you are using uh, for connecting to the SAP community network. So since I'm already having mapped to this particular browser, so it has automatically taken that particular P user ID. So once you provide all the details, this is the landing page. You're going to get it. And here, just click on this trial. So you will see here, your trial ends in 30 days. So just now I have registered this 30 minutes ago. So that's the reason. So as the day get pass, your days will start reducing like we are having the BTP. So this is the page you are going to see. The moment you launch to this particular screen, automatically a pop-up will come, and this will actually it's a guided navigation that will actually help you. So for the first time user, definitely how to use, just click on this that particular option. It will take you to the entire journey of this, means how this page will look like, what are the different options we are having. So navigation, click on this particular icon, SAP icon. So it will take you to the home page. This is the home page. This is what we have got as a landing page when we initially launched it. Now it will take you to the next navigation to the guided panel. And here you can select it. The moment you click on this question mark, this icon, it will give you some set of options. You want to create a job requisition, manage goals, or if you want to go with an introduction, again, it is going to log into that same page, the initial pop-up which we have got. So we'll just finish it up. And if you want to just explore something else, you can, let's say, how many approvals are there. But yeah, let's go with this option. The moment you click here, it will give you a guided tour. So let's say I want to create a requisition. So right now I'm focusing in terms of the functional consultant, though I'm not a functional consultant. So I would not comment on this. Basically, it's not my area. But yeah, uh, the good thing about this particular trial account is actually it is take you to a guided navigation where you can explore at your own pace, irrespective of a technical or functional customers. If you are a learner at a very basic stage, you can definitely take best use of this. And it's basically using an AI to enhance. Uh, Basically, it will guide you with with the functionality using the AI. So let's click on creating a requisition. So now it is pointing us to go to this home and choose recruiting. So I'm just going to click on this recruiting. So let's say our end goal is to create a requisition. So once you log into that particular, means like click on that particular requisition, it will land you to this particular page, job requisition. Now, if you want to create a new requisition, you need to click on create requisition. So this page is exactly the replica of what the actual SuccessFactors system will look like. So let's assume we want to create a job requisition from an existing template or existing job requisition. So just click on this existing requisition, and once you click on existing requisition, you have to give a requisition ID. So what this is going to do, it is going to help you with the requisition ID as well. So just click on this requisition ID and choose search. Come down and choose search. So the moment you search it, you will be taken to another screen. Now it will ask you to select this particular job title and select copy selected one. So once you go to this particular screen, if you want to change the entire job title, that also you can do it. Okay. And now choose next. Once you choose next, and if approval date and all these things, you can definitely change it. So this will help the functional consultant, especially functional consultant, how the job requisition, that entire cycle will look like, what are the different set of data you are supposed to insert while creating a job requisition. So if it's an internal posting, you can do that and view job profile. Okay, so if you click on this view job profile, you will come to know if you want to make some changes, click on this edit. If you want to change the job description and notice all these things, it is going to help you with this. You just have to read through these AI messages and it will help you to take you to the next screen. So with this, I'm just ending this particular screen. Probably you can just explore it. Okay. So when I click on this particular icon, it is going to take me to the home screen of SuccessFactors. Okay. So this is the home screen of the SuccessFactors. Now on this search bar, here we have to type the transaction which we are interested into. So I am going to search for the transaction which the integration consultants are primarily working on. So in my case, I'm going to search for OData dictionary. So this is not available. If I check for the SF API, this is also not available. Integration center. So what I wanted to highlight here is this trial account will not give you that integration options basically, and I'm not sure whether you will be able to connect it to your any other trial account or not. Also, but yeah, those API options, which if you want to explore it, that is not possible or basically available in this uh, trial account. But definitely the API, you can explore it using API Hub, where you can find the entire structure of the APIs. But yeah, data and all you will be getting in the JSON format. So that's the only limitation. Even if you try to check for OAuth related, that is also not possible. But yeah, good thing is if you want to check for any employee, let's say Tom, not there, Omar. Okay, let's search for any user with that name as test. Okay, so you will find the production tester, Jennifer. Okay, so now if you want to look for more details, if you want to go for the awards and recognition for this, you can also click here and you can just experience the exact page of success factors. Okay. And what else? You can also employee files that you're having. Okay. Perfect. So here you can see the various section. So like personal information, how the personal information screen looks like, the national ID, all this information, address information. If you want to do a change, let's try to explore it, though I have not checked it. Let me try whether it is going to. Okay, let's add test. I think it is not allowing to make changes here. Okay, head of house, let's say. Warning change. Okay, save. Attachment is required. Okay, basically it is asking for some dependencies, which I would not able to meet because this is not my area. What I wanted you just to give you a quick comparison, uh, whether we are having any option as such for learning success factors or not. But yeah, this is the actual success factors, the demo system which I am using uh, for my trainings. So if I compare it, this particular screen with the trial account, you will see it's the exact replica. The only thing is couple of options you might not be finding it, but yeah, as a starting point, definitely this trial account is going to help you. If I search for the OData dictionary in my actual account, you will find all these transactions. But if you try to look for this kind of integration related transactions, you won't find in the trial account. So that's the only limitation. But as a starting point, I would say it is definitely helpful for the consultants, especially for the functional consultants who are planning to explore something around the success factors where they do not have to struggle for the paid system. Definitely, this 30 days trial account will help them just to make themselves accustomed with the system layout and all. So I hope you have found this small introductory video little interesting. Thank you so much.